One thing that really stood out to me about the Fusion truck bed cover by ARE is that it was color match. I'm Katie Osborne for Truck Hero. Alongside me is Todd Schroeder from ARE, and this is one standout feature about the Fusion.
Thank you. We're really excited about the Fusion. It's a new addition to our line of products that we've offered. You know, we've taken the last 50 years and really tried to develop a top line product through our caps, our lids, and now we're moving on to the Fusion.
One feature I really like is the lighting underneath, but tell me about that carpet. Why is that so helpful?
Well, that carpet's important to us because we wanted to give that OE feel. We also wanted to match up with our other partnership product, which is Bedrug. It's a great combination for a great fit, great look.
Now let's take it back a few years. ARE started making caps about 50 years ago.
Right, caps, covers, and then now we're going to our next generation, a trifold.
Why?
Well, it gives us an opportunity to show our expertise in the cover market.
I'd say fit, finish, and fusion, right?
Nice combo.
If you'd like to learn more information about the Fusion, make sure you check out truck-hero.com.